It's your boy Tunchi, and this is Y.B.E.T.V. Today I got a question from Be More Trucker, and hey, I'm about to tear it up. He about to tear it up, but before we do tear it up together, let's get into these bills. Go to www.ybetv.org/course so you can get our business credit course. We will teach you the ins and outs of actually structuring your business correctly. You would think that most people would know these things, but it's hidden information. It is very hard to come by. And we do the work for you to find you the cheapest, most efficient pricing so you can get your corporate address, your corporate phone number, your corporate email for the lowest prices ever. I'm telling you, you will save lots of money, and you'll be able to build business credit so you won't have to keep on writing down your social security number. So you already know we got that, and we got the service to actually set it up for you. Yeah, we not playing. We gonna set it up for you. Go to www.ybetv.org/shop and go to the part where it says let us set it up, and we will set up your business for you from the rooter to the tutor. DUNS number, EIN, logos, voiceover, setting up your switchboard. We will do it all. We will square it all away for a small fee. So definitely check into that. We got the t-shirts. Make sure you go pick one up. If you don't want to end up in a box, think outside of it. We got the t-shirts for you. And also, if you got a question, like this one is all the way from January, and it's just coming out. So if you got a question and you don't want to wait a million years, for $9.99, we will give you an expedited question and answer your question and upload it within 48 hours. So make sure you check that out. All right, this one says, use Freightliner. Hey, Tune, love the videos and information, man. I've been driving a long time. Now a company driver, I want to get my truck first. My credit score is excellent. I'm not sure which direction I should go in to purchase a truck. I'm an Amex member with great credit score, and they keep offering me a $25,000 personal loan with no credit check. I am also a USAA member, and we have a great relationship over the past years. I plan on leasing on with the company for a year or two and learn more about business side of things, maybe getting my own authority after I save some more money. I plan to pull container loads out of the ports of Baltimore starting out, and I do have a new baby, so I don't want to be over the road. They've done that. Don't want to go over the road. Been there, done that. Okay. But if I need, I will lay over here and there. I've been looking for used Freightliners. The cash stash I'm going to pay for all my house personal bills for a couple of months. Again, thanks for all the videos you and others like you put out. Man, I personally, first off, I want to commend you on your credit. That is dope. And I want to tell you guys something. If you are a truck driver and you got good business credit, okay, let me say this again. If you are a truck driver and you have good business credit and you have actually good personal credit, if you are willing to use your personal credit along with your business credit, you can go from having good business credit, like let's just say you got a person that has 12 trade lines on his business, account. Paydex score, his Duns and Bradstreet has 12 experiences, and he also has a 750 credit score. If he walks into a bank, let me take these off. If that man walks into a bank and he's actually willing to use his credit to leverage to get some money with that business, they're going to give him a ridiculous offer. They're going to offer that man a lot of money, because this is the thing. When you're going under a business will get you more as far as credit. Like, where if they're offering you $25,000 personally, they'll probably offer you $75,000, $95,000 for your business. Because, number one, if I give you $25,000 credit, you go buy a whole bunch of garbage, the chance of me being paid back is like, very slim. But if I give a business $75,000, they're going to use that $75,000 to pursue things for that business, which is going to bring in more people, which is going to give them more clientele to make them more money to pay me off faster. So the chances that giving someone who's going to use your money to make money versus give somebody who's going to use your money to create debt for themselves. It's kind of, so they're a lot more likely to give you well, that's why business loans is more. Where if you can qualify for a $5,000 card with your regular credit, you'll probably qualify for a $25,000 with your business credit. So, with leveraging your regular credit score. So I'm not bad. I don't never bash using the personal guarantee. I'm not a fan of it. But if you willing to do it, which I would possibly do it, but it's just something to really think into. And as far as getting a used Freightliner, man, ain't nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong with that, and paying up your bills, ain't nothing wrong with that. I would definitely say, well, paying up your bills, I just don't see, I don't see why people would do that, because if you ever need to reach for that money, you never have it loose. So like, why would I pay with my bills when I still got time on it? Let's just say if I had a $2,000 and I could pay my bills up for 2 months. And during that 2 months, I'm pretty much broke going into the first week, but then something happens to my car. And I need $950 to fix it. Now, I can't get back and forth to work, but my bill's paid, but I'm sitting here with a broken car and no way to get to work. Now I'm like, oh my God, what am I going to do? So instead, what I will do is I will keep that money in my pocket, pay the bills as they come, and I will still have, after my first month of paying the I still got $1,000 in my pocket, and my bills is not due for another 30 days. You get what I'm saying? So that's just generally, like, I'm against paying bills up because that makes no sense. I'd rather hold my money, invest my money, gain interest on my money, because the majority of the places that's holding your money, that's exactly what they doing with it. So, I'm a grown-up. I don't need nobody to hold my money for me. So just think of it that way. And as far as Freightliners, they're good trucks. Make sure they pretty loud. They not the most luxurious, but they get the job done and you make the money. So that's definitely a thing. Go for it. I say go for it. You can be home. You can get money. You get your own authority. Cut out the middleman. And you already know what it is. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks, Be More Trucker, for being a subscriber. Man, you already know. It's your boy Tunchi and this Y.B.E.T.V. If you don't want to end up in a box, think outside of it. Y.B.E.T.V.
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. See, just being yourself is the definition of real.